Identify this picture. What does this picture represent? Our solar system. What is solar system, children? The sun, once considered as a planet, is the only star in our solar system. What is this, children? The sun. How many planets in our solar system? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 planets. How many planets? 8 planets. What is the first planet, children? Mercury, Venus, Earth. The third planet, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. What is the third planet, children? The Earth. Which planet is our home? The planet on which we live is called the Earth. What do you see here? Here we see a globe. What does this represent? Globe is a three-dimensional spherical model. Here it represents the Earth. What it is shape? What is its shape, children? Three-dimensional spherical shape. What can you compare it with? The third planet from the sun in our solar system is our beautiful home planet, the Earth. We live on this unique planet, the only one where life is known to exist. But we are not alone on the Earth. We are a part of living and non-living components of the Earth. Children, in the previous classes, you have learnt about living and non-living things. What are living things, children? Things which can move, grow, eat food, breathe air. This type of called living things. Living things have life in them. Non-living things do not have life in them. The area near the surface of the Earth can be divided into 4 main components. How many components, children? 4 components. What are they? Land, water, air and life. These are called the spheres of Earth. These spheres show how these components are interrelated to make Earth a complete system of life. This picture, children, the Earth. We are a part of a living components and non-living components of the Earth. Non-living components divided into 3 types, children. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Lithospheres means land, hydrospheres means water, atmosphere means air. Lithosphere, land. This is the solid rocky surface covering the entire planet from the top of Mountain Everest to the deep ocean floors. Hydrosphere, water. This covers almost 3/4 of the Earth. This is composed of all the water in the oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, snow, underground and even the moisture in the air. Atmosphere, air. This is the body of air that surrounds our planet. Living components, biosphere, life. Living things have life in them. This consists of all living organisms, plants and animals, including microbes. Okay children, understood? The earth divided into two parts, non-living components and living components. Non-living components divided into three parts, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and living components, biosphere, life. Then now I am going to tell you about the shape of the earth. See here children, it was believed in the olden days that the earth was flat. The Greeks observed that as the ship sailed away, hulls dropped out of sight first and then the sails. The sails of the ship, which were approaching from a far distance, were always seen before the hulls. Flat earth. If the earth is flat, people in both the cars can see the entire mountains. Next, curved earth. On a spherical earth, the people in the yellow car can see the full mountain, whereas the people in the blue car can only see the peak. What is this picture children? An orange. Indians call the earth as Bhugolam in ancient days because they know it is a sphere. Golam means sphere. Later the scientists have observed that the earth is not a perfect sphere like a ball, but it resembles the shape of an orange. Okay children, understood? Indians call the earth as Bhugolam in ancient days. Golam means sphere. After the scientists have observed that the earth is not a perfect sphere like a ball, but it resembles the shape of an orange. Children, but why does the earth appear flat to us? If we look out of our classroom window, the earth looks flat, not ball shaped. How do you explain this? Imagine that an ant is crawling on a hug ball. It is so small that it can see very limited area of the ball only. This small area appears flat to the ant. The ant on the ball can see the flat surface only as it is so small when compared to the ball. It is the same for us also on the earth. We are so small when compared to the earth. This is the reason why the earth looks flat to us. We cannot see that the earth is actually round unless we look at picture of the earth taken from space. Okay children, understood shape of the earth? Okay children, tomorrow you will learn more about the earth. And today's home task, course book 27 page, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biospheres spelling, learn and write 3 times. Lithosphere spelling lithosphere, lithosphere. Hydrosphere, hydrosphere, hydrosphere. Atmosphere, atmosphere. PHERE atmosphere, biosphere BIOSPHERE biosphere. Okay children, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. Tomorrow I will meet in the next class children. Thank you.